This is my new boyfriend, so hot. He's foreign.
I like to chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. I like the chop it.
Dude, seriously, this marshmallow is going to be so tasty. It has the perfect consistency of golden brown outside, the marshmallow gooiness inside.
Did you hear something? I think there's something in the bushes. Rodney, give him your marshmallow. What is it? I think he likes it. Give him another one. He looks friendly.
Mamma mia!
Oh, God. Oh!
This stupid marshmallow is turning him on. Oh, not the cooler. I can't believe this. Stop him, Mario.